Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by making the pen discoverable because an active connection makes all features responsive. First, confirm the pen has power. Replace the battery or charge it so the LED shows. Once done, open your Surface Pro 11 Bluetooth settings and enable scanning. Then press and hold the pen's button until the device appears. Pair immediately so you can test pressure and buttons. Pairing is what lets the Surface recognize tilt and shortcut inputs, giving you full control. After pairing, you configure how the pen behaves because defaults may not match your workflow. You should open the pen settings to change tip sensitivity and pressure curve so strokes match your hand pressure. This produces natural lines. Also enable tilt support for shading and set the pen buttons to perform eraser, right-click, or app-specific shortcuts. Once configured, test in a note or drawing app to refine pressure and button mapping until the pen feels intuitive and predictable for daily use. To finish, calibrate and protect the pen so it stays accurate and ready. Calibrate through the Surface or Windows Ink tools if the cursor doesn't align. Calibration ensures your strokes hit the intended pixels. Make a habit of storing the pen on the magnetic side or in a case to prevent damage, and swap tips when they wear down. If the pen stops responding, try one key troubleshooting tip. Unpair and repair after updating Surface firmware and Windows drivers, which often resolves connectivity or drift problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.